the newly modernized set of 2 elevators in the rear of Francis Libermann Hall at Duquesne University in Uptown / Bluff, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. These are originally old 1950s, 60s Westinghouses. It's a loud voice. With Schindler slapped on Epco Survival Plus, but they had triumph call ones on some floors. I don't think this floor did, but other floors did. But now Otis has modernized them. I got here perfect time. They're modern. First one, the last one's original.
Basement.
Here in basement. The Marshall jail in the front, which also has a soft one. That one I think is the same to my knowledge. I think they only did these 2. Didn't say going up. Up to 7. Here you go up.
Seventh floor.
Grade 7. On 1, there's the theology department. It's a nice redone cab. It's not a snap cab. There's some dirt at the top, or some of that's like the real cab paneling. I think the door, some of the paneling of the doors are original, but the cab is like the interior is redone. Obviously, the fixtures on the mechanical are redone.
First floor.
Like a 1. Otis already replaced the door operators on the previous elevators. I'm gonna guess they didn't replace them again, unless they had to because of like voltage or something. Door closes, and that's gonna be it. Yeah, these are original doors. You can see the T keys.